Welcome to SewingMastery.com, and I'm Sarah. I'm the one who loves to open up sewing machines and then do a video on every page of the manual. Now I want to give you some tips about the videos. Now we have done thousands of videos because every time a new machine comes out, we get to do new videos, and we're so excited to do it. Right now we're in the middle of filming some of the Pfaff machines, but we have done Bernina sewing machines, not all of them, but a lot of them, Bernina sergers, Bernina embroidery machines, and we are also a Husqvarna Viking dealer as well. So on the website you're going to find categories for each of those machines, and we've done a couple Brother and Singer machines that are quite popular online. Now, I mentioned some tips. So these videos, as you're going to notice, they're nice and short and sweet. You're going to be able to go back to them at any time, find the one that's going to help you through whatever problem you've run into or whatever function you've forgotten on how to use. Maybe it's time to clean your machine, and those are things that you kind of go, oh, did I do everything? So just go back, and if you don't find a machine that you own, that we have done, maybe you have an older Pfaff machine or an older Bernina, you will be able to find some of that basic information on the newer models that will relate to your older models. Next, with our YouTube videos, you will see from time to time a little eye that will pop up in this little right-hand corner. Those are links to some of the other videos being referenced in that little segment that can help you continue your education. So if we're talking about sewing on stretchy fabric, there could be a little pop-up that takes you to understanding stretch needles. Or if you are, oh, here's another thing that I tend to do. As you can tell, once I get talking, I'm very excited about what I'm teaching. So sometimes, even though a video might look like it's super simple, like how to insert a bobbin, well, you might want to watch that video because sometimes I will include some other information so you make sure you never do it incorrectly, or a little tip that just might be that aha moment for you. So a lot of people watch these videos, of course, after they've bought their sewing machine, serger or embroidery machine, and that's great. You can always use them as a reference. But a lot of people are using these videos to see which machine to purchase. Maybe you just want to get an idea what it does, what my favorite parts are, what fun things that you have to look forward to once you make your purchase. Maybe you're getting a machine used, or maybe you're inheriting a machine. So these are some great places that you can always come back to. Now, we love to hear from you. So if you want to make a comment or give us a thumbs up on any of our videos, I love to see what people are saying, and share them with your friends, and of course your local dealer. There's a lot of stores out there that don't know that we've done these videos, and they are welcome to use them as extra education. So mention that you found these videos on SewingMastery.com and that they might be helpful for some of their other students that are taking classes. We've even helped train new employees at some of these stores. So as they watch the videos, they can learn about the machines and then be a better teacher and support person for them. Now, if you truly have a question or service issue, please contact your local sewing machine store, because they're going to be a little quicker to answer, and they're going to be local. So, we're here in South Dakota. My husband and our family have a sewing machine retail store, and so that is what I do also along with these videos. But we appreciate anybody who watches those, saying hi to all our Canadian and Australian watchers out there. I know there are a lot of you who are really thankful that we've done these videos. So take some time to share, watch for those extra tips, and we are continuing to do more videos on more machines and putting them online. Now, another thing that we do have in our description, I'm also a Craftsy instructor. So I have two classes on Craftsy. One, a serger class called Serger Solutions Troubleshooting Techniques. That's pretty much everything that can go wrong with a serger and how to fix it, or how to avoid them altogether. And I also have a t-shirt quilt class that I teach, and we've got thousands of students in those Craftsy classes. So if you want links to our favorite recommended Craftsy classes, in the description below, you will find those. And in the description, you'll find some other links that we recommend that can be helpful. If you click on that Craftsy link, we do get credit for your purchase, so we appreciate it. But we thank you for everyone who has supported our channel and told their friends about it. We will keep doing videos, and we're so excited that we have found something that we can do for the sewing world and really continue to make everybody a better sewer. So thank you from all of us here at Sewing Mastery, and I better get ready to start filming the current machine. This is a Pfaff Ambition, Quilt Ambition 2.0. That's the next one we're filming. So I wanted to stop and say hi, show you some things that could be helpful as you watch our videos, and we'll see you online. Thanks, everyone.